the heated chamber that actually works. This is the killer feature. Unlike printers that just trap heat, the Core One actively manages it. I set the chamber to 55 degrees Celsius for a batch of ASA parts, and it held that temperature rock steady. The difference in layer adhesion is palpable. My parts didn't just look better, they were structurally stronger. Conversely, for PLA, the rear vents open up to keep things cool. I printed PLA with the door fully closed, usually a recipe for heat creep and clogs, and had zero issues thanks to the active ventilation. CoreXY kinematics and Nextruder. If you're coming from a bed slinger like the MK3 or MK4, the speed bump here is noticeable. It's about 20% faster in practice, but the real win is stability. Tall, thin prints that used to wobble on a moving bed are dead still here. The Nextruder continues to be my favorite extrusion system on the market. The load cell sensor for the first layer is practically magic. I swapped nozzles 3 times during testing, and I never once had to calibrate a Z offset manually. It just taps the bed and goes. Repairability first. This isn't a feature you see on a spec sheet, but it matters. When I wanted to check the belt tension, I didn't have to break plastic tabs or peel off glued rubber. Everything is accessible. It respects your time as a mechanic, not just as a user.